B flat major. This scale has two flats, B flat and E flat. And of course, because it starts in a B flat, we're going to hit a B flat up top as well. And we're going to start with finger 2 and go 1 underneath, 1, 2, 3, thumb under onto F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, third over, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. And in the left hand we start on 3, 3, 2, 1, 4 crosses over onto E flat, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Hands together, 3 starts on the left, 2 on the right. Thumb under, 4 over, thumb under, second over, third over, thumb under, second over.